Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Chopper Top Productions. In this week's video we're jumping in and doing the rest of the manual R31 swap. This video is probably what last week's video should have been. Originally I thought that the automatic bell housing dust cover was not going to work on the manual swap. I've since been thoroughly educated in the comment section and through a Facebook group that I posted it, that it will in fact work, so we're just going to be using that, and the bolts we're just going to make shift do with what we've got and try and around and find something to go in there. After all, it is a drift car, it's not exactly going to matter. Chad's here to help get this done. He owns the other 31 that we did the other swap on, so it'll be good to have help to lift a box up. My back hurts, so it's going to fucking suck for me. Next thing we actually have to do is install the spigot bearing and then the clutch. I don't understand why is such a big box such an itty bitty little thing. Seriously, why? So we've had the spigot bearing soaking in oil for a little while now, a day or two, something like that. So I guess it should have absorbed some because apparently they're porous. Yep, she in. Well, as you can see, it's now dark. Chad had to run away and get some tools. We needed a clutch alignment tool before we could do anything else, so we've got that now. Yeah, it's dark, but we're still going to keep going, and I'm going to film it because I don't want to have not filmed it. I'm going to chuck the flywheel on and start getting that stuff ready so that the clutch can go on, so that the gearbox can go on.
So connect pin 1 and pin 5 to the neutral switch, pin 1 and pin 6 to reverse. So pin 1 is basically the ground, which is the black wire there, and then pin 5 should be blue, but it isn't. And then pin 6 is reverse, which should be brown, which I'm pretty sure it is brown.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so that one's plugged back into itself, and those ones that you just named from that plug there go into the reverse thingy that we just wired on, and the neutral one. And then this one down there, those two are just unplugged.
These two are unplugged and taken out of them.
Righty, the CD clutch is fully bolted on. We are ready to chuck the gearbox in. Cool. That seems like it.
Yep, that's it.
Okay, so. Oh, what a cunt. Well, that was a fucking long night. We got the manual box in, and then right after that we said fuck it and went to bed because we were too tired to do anything else, and to be honest with you, I'm still too tired now. Everything is now done. So off of camera I put the drive shaft back in, bolted the gearbox up fully, the supports, everything. So everything's now done under there. Come under and have a gaze. Everything is now all sorted. Except for plugs, we still need to plug those in. But that's literally it. And then we've got some interior pieces to do. First start, let's see if it does anything. Well, it's definitely manual, and it seems to be driving all right. Going through the gears okay. Shifter is really far forward, so it makes me wonder if I maybe somehow have it backwards. I don't know if that's possible or not, but it's really far forward. Like, that's my arm fully extended, playing with the radio, where it's there. Still don't have a shifter on it. As soon as you're off the clutch, it's go, which I guess is a good thing, because we're going to be drifting it. The car sounds more aggressive now, which I don't know if that's something down to the tune or I don't know what it is, but yeah, because we swapped out the ECU manual for auto for manual. Maybe that's had some effect on it. Don't know. Alrighty guys, I'm super stoked to say that the R31 manual swap is complete. There's been no banging, no smashing, no grinding of gears, nothing like that. It's all driving smoothly. That last clip you saw was a couple of days ago. After I'd finished the swap, I was kind of just over it, didn't want to work on it, didn't want to look at it, and definitely didn't want to film it. So I kind of just put the camera down and gave myself a bit of a break. And then over the following 2 days, drove it a bit, and it's been absolutely incredible. There's, like I say, no grinding, no smashing, no banging or anything like that. So it's A+. I'm super stoked on it. There's only one thing left to do to make it driftable, and that's to lock the diff, whether it's by welding it or putting a mini spool in. We'll probably end up going the mini spool way just because it's $90 and it's undoable. And then we will be good for a skid. I would love to finish this video with a skid or something to show how cool it is that it's manual now, but unfortunately there's not a lot I can do because I have to jump inside and edit this video for it to be up in the next hour. So yeah, we're not running too well on time today. On that note, that is going to be it for this week's video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.